In this video, I'm going to show how to set the Java Home environment variable in Windows. Now this video assumes that you already have the Java JDK installed on your computer. If you don't have it installed, feel free to watch my previous video on installing the Java JDK. Alright, let's get started with setting the Java Home environment variable in Windows. So the first thing to do is, you see the search box in the lower left hand corner here. Just click on that and type in environment. In fact, you don't even have to type in the whole thing. Eventually, you should see where it says edit the system environment variables. So click on that. And then you should see the environment variables button here. So click on that. And now it's showing us the user variables and system variables for the computer. So the difference between these two sections are user variables are specific only to the account that you're currently logged into, whereas system variables are for all accounts together, so system-wide. I recommend setting the variable under system, so that way all accounts have access to it. But if you have a reason for only wanting the Java Home environment variable to be solely for your user account, then feel free to set it under user if you like. But I'm going to do it under system. So here I'm going to click new because I want a new system variable. And we need to specify the variable name as well as its value. So for variable name, it's Java Home. Now, just make sure you type it exactly as you see me type it here. So Java underscore home. So a couple things I'll point out here. One, make sure it's in all capital letters, so all uppercase. So it should be Java and then the underscore symbol. So make sure this is the underscore. It's not a dash or a space or anything like that. Make sure it's the underscore symbol and then home. So Java underscore home, all capital letters. Okay, now we need to specify the variable value. So this is going to be the directory where the JDK is installed to. So I'm going to click on Browse Directory. Basically, we're going to find the JDK directory on the computer. So click on Browse Directory. Now, when you install the JDK, if you change the default path, then you'll have to find wherever it is that you installed it to. But if you didn't change the default path, if you just left it like it was, then you can follow the same process I'm about to follow here. So first thing, so we want to go to the C drive. So it'll be under this PC. So I'm going to click the arrow here to expand this PC. And then you should see the C drive. So I'm going to click the arrow again to expand the C drive. And then you'll see where it says program files. Make sure it's not the x86. You'll see there's two program files here. One of them says x86. Don't click on this one. You want to click on just program files. So I'll expand this. And then just find Java, the Java folder. So I'll expand this. And now you're going to see any JDKs that are installed on your computer. So in this case, I have JDK 22 and JDK 24. I want the latest version to be the Java Home environment variable. So for you, this might be JDK 25 or 26 or whatever if you're watching this in the future. But here, I'm just going to click on the directory itself. And this is as far as we want to go. So I don't want to click on any subdirectories here. I'm just going to leave it on JDK-24. And once you found your JDK version and you click on that folder, just click on OK. And notice it put the path that we browse to right here. And that's what we want. We want the JDK folder here. So this is good. I'm going to click on OK. And now you'll see it appear in the variables section. So this is the variable that we just made. And once that is all set, just click OK, OK. And that is it. The Java Home variable is now set